Most intermediate players fall into this big pitfall. They fall into the trap of following the pattern or tone of the rally from the opponent. See, they don't set their own shots. They're just reacting to the shots of the opponent. This stems actually from training as well. Are you in the habit of practicing and adjusting your shot based on the incoming ball? Or are you in the habit of generating your own quality, designating specific spots that you're hitting to, and intentionally changing the speed, spin, height, and depth of your shot? So how does this apply to Power Pong robot training? Well, let's say we're doing a very simple exercise like 2 backhands, 2 forehands. Are you becoming a robot yourself, hitting 1, 2, 1, 2? Or are you intentionally changing the location, changing the amount of spin, changing the depth of your hit, sometimes going a little bit more to the corner, sometimes going a little bit wider? You see, if you want to develop game-winning shots that actually apply in tournaments, instead of waiting for the robot to shoot you a different ball, you need to be able to challenge yourself by hitting different locations and hitting different speeds. So how does this look? What is it actually going to look like when you're actually training? Well, let's go back to the drill that I talked about earlier, drill 6. 2 balls to the backhand and 2 balls to the forehand. Instead of playing same location, same location, same location, same location, one thing that you could do would be play backhand cross, backhand down the line, forehand cross, forehand down the line. That's a systematic way of intentionally changing the location. What would be a more random way? Well, you could play all the balls deep to the backhand, 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 and then maybe 20 or 30% of the balls you could intentionally surprise your opponent with middle or forehand. That could be the same way to do that same drill, but make it more challenging as far as your location. Using the same drill as an example, drill 6, 2 backhands, 2 forehands, what else could you do? You could change the speed, sometimes slower, sometimes faster, sometimes slower, sometimes faster. What else could you do? You could challenge yourself by being able to play from different distances. No matter what drill you do, no matter what theme you have, always remember that you yourself need to be setting the tone of the rally. You're the one that dictates where you hit to. You're the one that dictates if you loop slower or faster. So do this in match play, but starts with practice. Do it in practice. Set different shots and be willing to adjust your hit, not just based on the incoming ball, but based on what you want to do. And then have that carry over to match play. Have the carry over to match play that you can generate your own quality and you can do different shots as opposed to just reacting from your opponent's hits. I'm Samson Davina. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.